problem with Nigerian bloggers. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi or something like this, like Kuleri. None of you could speak about it. And what do you got from me? A homie chifum paet roman for so mimi. So Evangelist Ebuka Obi or something like this, like Anambra State. Nobody told me. I don't know. Yauri kinyo bonge, you won't go to Laba A1. Yauri kinyo, Yabu sim email forever. Nge he won't gala hono, nge he won't go to laugh for that. See how, daughter. I have never come away. I'm say, I will let one from Umbisa, he would never be able to occur. Let me show the world what Evangelist Ebuka Obi is doing in Anambra State. Abahono Jibarashi Chokonazona Babe will come here in Abuja. But I will spoke it. This is psychiatric home. Evangelist Ebuka Obi on free. Yaroka home for old people. There no one place like Yoshi and your mammy that are nowhere taken care of. You cannot bring them there for free. Yabusi Uronyara Bawala Kono. Onye Kofrekof. You cannot bring him or she there. Ale Nyogo. Bawa Woya Channing Gay till Jehovah and after any. All for free. Nobody could told me. Yauri Memfreba Bull, Memfreba la Facebook. Evangelist Ebuka Obi won a massam Jideki June. Hosra Bali Mebeni, Awakala Wonyes. When you lady over, they hola quaquani. I want them the reason in Mlenaji lap or keke. About somebody when you agree with us over taking his salad. I don't name any baby. My brother, keep it up. May God bless you. May God bless you. Keep it up. Signing out, my people. As you all know, Chief Mbade Domu for so mimi, that's my new name.
Igbo Muneze Mwaze Kenekwa Mwana all can see none but I was so tired. Jesus. I was so tired. Man, from this video, Wesi Biko Kambuluzo. Tigo to this video about to put Jagwan Mali Hinjin Dome. Wasalachine because it has not been easy. Yotagumeli zone Lagos like this, Ijeku everywhere, all over in cause a bolo stressful journey. Ina bamoto, ine cause or imago everything over transport and about 1.5 million no 2,000. Yotago 1.5 2,000 1 money say about 5,000 aboro pocket money na Lagos 5,000 aboro we have it na ba e say kije pota aboro pocket money. Yotago. So it just takes the grace of God for us to survive. I'm also begging Chukuna Biko Only higher me can buy the number can them mother Nagalian because Lagos is becoming too overrated. It's becoming too overrated. Because in that Amazon Lagos mother got but that's another topic for another day. So I do call her when I ascending need demolish shop ma mandala so ma trade fair. My be one demolish it a shop today Sunday buy nasi biko chukuna biko wa nde buy you me na wata you na ba home because it is not easy. Ebi no go na as well upon that na million they were busy need demolish shop on them mother and they will not even allow you to make video after you make video wole video go mali cha na gini na eme na nda actually lola hana akpọta out nda agboro abia ana akpọ agboro abịa ọbụrụ ndị agboro dị ihe prisoners ajeje cheta ha na-acheta those prisoners to do those jobs because na ha pụta data ọlụ ahụ aya akwụghị ụgwọ eke those prisoners ego so they will like to work. That is why no matter ihe emelu ọ ga-ahụ n'ụdị ebe ahụ nobody will be held accountable for it. And the man say ga-echọba onye ịchọ ya enuchọ ya na street you will not see him because na onye ha si n'ime prison pata mana họta. So it was a very chaotic moment today. Upon all the videos I know, people properties are on the rain. Are in the rain, on the rain, yes, and here, millionaire. They will not even allow him walking when shop they did not even allow him to pack out things there. They didn't allow him to pack out things. You know, just when we say, Kedebe, Ndia no one no aware now these things there. ebe na-alụ ya kedu ebe ha nọ alụcha ya for years and they did not do anything. Ọ bụrụzia kịta ekwugo m ihe mana ka m kwukwa ya ọzọ. A time na-abịa that's very soon. I pray to be alive to witness it. That will be my greatest joy. But this system mmadụ ka eje Lagos sị gị na-apụgodo ebe ahụ. Chetakwanụ na o mere n'ugwu Hausa mgbe ahụ. Ndị Hausa na-eme gbidi. A lot of us, even you watching this video, some of us, our parents are a product of ugwu Hausa. Mgbe ahụ gịnị na-anụ Kafanchan, Gombe, Kano, Kaduna, Zaria. Ị na-ege egwu Oliver Osadebe. Yotago ị na-anụ anyị jere Benin City gaba Gombe. Oduso ire anụ ya ị na-asị ị na-akwa anaghị na-aga eji ya. All those things bụ ihe melu mgbe ahụ. Ị na-anụ Kafanchan, all those places ahụ, Gombe, Damaturu, Adamawa. O mere eme mana kịta what is happening in those places, people has left them, shift your attention to ebe ọzọ. So very soon ọ na-akwado ime na Lagos. I'm just praying that to be alive to witness it, because this thing is beginning to eat deeper. So like this video no forget, let me just dive into it, because I just have to take out time with him Chaleko, because it was not easy seeing those things. It was not easy. It was really heartbreaking. We've been a victim of those things. We've been a victim of those things. We know how it feels like. Under the rain and maybe things, and they don't care. You make a baby me guru I'm get taken a Black Maria, he bulu get away office, maybe bugibu. So it's better now, pick the ones that you can pick. Suppose able gipu only pick the pieces that is left. Only pick it. So because this video about video na enwekebo Skibo mam no like the hero for another video. Skibo so wakwa wolo hera we don dem mmadụ aka na ntị. Ọ dịsịpụ na-eme na Ebuka Obi mee ha nke ọzọ. Enweghị Ebuka Obi mere unu. It is high time we begin to celebrate our own. Because ihe na-achụ anyị n'izu a na-achụzi ya too much n'izu. Mana we are not even closer to celebrate our own. Kedu ka ndị ọzọ esi value ihe anyị nwe? Because if you're a big Igbo man na get maintain this video na bịakwa na my channel, bikon. We know yes na create again a million. Mana one thing Igbo ji wee nwe ebube is that na ebe ọ bụ na Igbo gbakọrọ ọnụ decide ya si na ebe aba ahịa. Just 1 year ka oyi take 1 year. If you can ndị mmadụ esikwa from that far distance isi achọta unu, from abroad or from Abuja or from Makurdi or from everywhere abịa. That is how they will even come and locate you to that place. It will be my greatest joy. Can the Igbo stop your depending in Lagos State? It will be my greatest joy. And Eastern governors, it is time for you people to wake up and do something for your people. Do something for your people. Ofu aka na aka na-ekwe ngwugwu. Aziza dị n'ugwu anakwa na-agbaji. Aziza dị n'ugwu na-agbanye ofu aka anara eke ngwugwu. It is now time, now or never. Wow. Because those things I saw today were just, it was terrible. It was really terrible. Apchakwa ihe a na-epost na social media has nothing to do with what happens today. Because nke a ifogoro nke mmadụ nwere ike ke hide isechalụ. Mana eje there you will see billions of naira wasted. Billions of structures wasted. It may be here na the Lagos State easy. It may be here na the easy. Or na ka scratching the computer village. Natural. Computer village that has been there. Ono ka chinebupu aha na center obodo. Ukunu wela ahia mepesicha obodo unu dị mma. Unu ebulokwu ya na another village. Unu we mepekwa that place. That has been their plan all this while. How will that place for and them mmadụ ji go mepesi that place is ewele ya push ebe ọzọ. Ona ihe ji refinery na emepe ekpe. now they will find something else push ya ka ndị Igbo sam feel ha inu mmiri ha binie. And one day I want to say this and I will say it again. One day one million and once a million a lot of things are going down. No mistake in the by megoleme. Mana kedum bolene ki he yeme mmadụ ọmali ha. Bolene ki he yeme mmadụ ọmali ha. I say can give me take I will not tell you how to spend your money, but for how long? For how long? God one.